7 Days Challenge. Struggling with double chin and chubby cheeks? Don't worry, this quick workout will sculpt your jawline and burn face fat naturally and fast. Let's transform your face in just 7 days. Subscribe for more workouts videos. Please comment your opinion.
Let's start. First exercise, chin lifts. 3, 2, 1, go. Tilt your head up and push your chin forward. At least 15 to 20 solid reps. Stay focused and feel the burn.
A feel of discontent, I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Well done, first exercise complete. Next, fish face hold. 3, 2, 1, go. Make a fish face, suck your cheeks in and hold. At least 15 to 20 solid reps. Stay focused and feel the burn.
That's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are.
Well done, exercise complete. Next, neck rolls. 3, 2, 1, go. Gently roll your neck in a full circle, slow and smooth. At least 15 to 20 solid reps. Stay focused and feel the burn. Well done, exercise complete. Well done. You're doing great. Take a 15-second rest, breathe and reset. Next up, even more jawline power. Only 2 exercises remain, let's finish strong. Next, cheek lifts. 3, 2, 1, go. Now lift your cheeks toward your eyes. At least 15 to 20 solid reps. Stay focused and feel the burn.
The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding.
Well done, exercise complete. Next, tongue stretch. 3, 2, 1, go. Stick your tongue out, stretch it forward and hold. At least 15 to 20 solid reps. Stay focused and feel the burn.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling.
Well done. You just completed day 1 of the Face Fat Challenge. Do this for 7 days and watch your jawline transform. like, share, and subscribe for tomorrow's routine.
Subscribe for more workouts videos. Thanks for watching.